Disney vacations are expensive, and we know you're looking for the best deals, so we're rounding up all the best discounts today on DFB Guide. Hey everybody, it's AJ for Disney Food Blog. We know a lot of you are getting into planning season and are on the lookout for the best ways to save big on your 2020 Disney vacation. We're breaking down all the 2020 discounts released for both Disney World and Disneyland so far and taking our best guesses for you for when you can expect some more great discount options to be released. Now, we've got all this information in a free PDF, so you don't have to take notes and write all this stuff down. All you have to do is head over to disneyfoodblog.com/2020discounts, and we can get you that free PDF. You just have to sign up for our also completely free DFB newsletter. All right, let's start with Disney World. Disney World typically releases room-only or room and ticket discounts about 2 to 6 months in advance of the deal's dates. The shorter 2-month time frame will more often be for annual pass holder discounts, though sometimes if they want to fill rooms, there may be a new pop-up deal like we saw last summer with free dining. This is the sweet spot to look for a deal. Even if you've already booked, you may be able to apply the deal to your existing reservation, or it may be worth it to make a new reservation with the new deal. First up, free dining. Disney's free dining deal for 2020 is only available to book for a few more days, and this one is super popular, so your top hotel pick may already be booked solid. So get booking ASAP if you want to snag this one. Free dining is available as part of a package, including a 4-night minimum stay at select resorts and park hoppers as well. You'll be paying full price for your room, but if you're staying at a value or moderate resort, you'll get the free quick service dining plan for everyone in the room, and if you're staying at a deluxe or deluxe villa, you'll get the standard dining plan for free for everyone in the room. This offer is available for guests arriving June 27th and 28th, July 5th to the 7th, and August 29th to September 8th. You must book by January 16th. Really short booking window on this one, you guys. Disney has also just released a kids free dining deal. Purchase a hotel package with park tickets and any tier of dining plan for everyone in your room, and kids ages 3 to 9 will get that dining plan for free. Free dining for kids is being offered to guests arriving on most nights May 25th through August 28th, 2020, but you must book by February 26th to get the offer. Also, we see 20% off of rooms. Disney's extended its room discounts from the holiday season, offering up to 20% off select rooms. The offer is valid for stays most nights from January 2nd, 2020 through April 25th, 2020 when you book by March 7th. Guests can also receive a $30 Disney gift card per person, that's US dollars, for every single person on their reservation when they upgrade to a package by adding 6-day or longer theme park tickets. The deal has been extended even longer for those of you visiting in the summer. 25% off Disney Resort rooms for most days April 1st through September 12th, but your booking window is shorter. You must book by February 26th. The 4-park Magic ticket may not include your hotel reservation, but as we all know, Disney World tickets are expensive. This special ticket gives you access to one park each day for 4 days, so you get to experience them all. Starts at $89 per day, and you can add on admission to one of the water parks plus the NBA experience for just $40 more. It's got to be used by September 30th, 2020 though, so you need to be going here spring break, summertime, etc. The Disney Chase Visa Resort discount at Riviera Resort is an awesome deal and available if you're a Disney Chase Visa card holder. You can receive a 40% off room-only discount at the Riviera Resort when you book a room through March 31st, 2020. You must be a Disney Chase Visa card holder to book the room though, and you must book between now and February 14th, 2020. The offer is valid most nights from now through March 31st. Pass holder discounts. Disney World annual pass holders can qualify for discounts on hotels for most nights from January 1st to April 25th, 2020, and you can book anytime in that window. Annual pass holders can save up to 35% at deluxe resorts and deluxe villas, 30% at moderate resorts, and 25% at value resorts. This one has also been extended to include rates through July 9th. And Florida residents, if you're a Florida local, you can also snag some great deals like the current 30% off rooms at select Disney World resorts during most days from April 1st to July 9th. And there's a U.S. military resort and park ticket discount right now. Active and retired U.S. military personnel are eligible for room-only discounts, and you can book that offer through December 18th, 2020 for most nights from January 1st to April 4th, and then April 19th to December 18th. So there's a few weeks there where there's no eligibility in April, just a heads up. There are also discounted rates for active and retired U.S. military personnel on Disney park tickets in 2020. They can receive discounted rates on 4, 5, and 6-day passes when staying from January 1st through December 18th with no blockout dates. Canadian resident ticket discount offer. As a Canadian resident, you could qualify for discounted tickets at Disney World in 2020. You can save 20% when you purchase a 4-day or longer Disney World park ticket. This discount counts for 1 park-a-day tickets, but you will have the option to add on a park hopper for an additional cost, and this one's available from now until February 7th, 2020. And UK and European residents, we're also seeing a few discounts aimed at you guys. Check out your DisneyWorld.com websites and see what you can find. We're seeing some 5-night ticket and hotel packages that include some awesome options. And remember, if you guys want all this information without having to take a bunch of notes, head over to DisneyFoodblog.com/2020 discounts, sign up for our completely free newsletter, and we'll get you a PDF of all the discounts and deals in this video completely free right in your inbox. What other discounts can we expect at Disney World and when? Well, other than the discount for active duty and retired military members, which goes through December 2020, all of these discounts are only valid for the first couple of months. So what's coming up? In 2019, we actually saw 2 free dining deals announced. One was announced in January and a second was announced later in the year for dates in the fall. In other recent years, Disney has announced only 1 free dining offer and released it in April rather than in January. There's no telling if we'll get a second free dining deal again this year, but we will keep you updated. Follow us on social media or sign up for our newsletter to get the info as soon as it's announced. So when do you think we can expect some of the higher hotel discounts to be released? Well, based on past history, we think that late summer is a good bet for when you'll see higher discounts on hotel rooms. September and October are typically less busy months at the park as kids go back to school and parents have to plan vacations around holidays and school breaks. Because of that, typically you'll start seeing higher discounts for hotels released in late summer for these slower months, so be sure to keep an eye out if you were looking to book for those dates. If you aren't able to find a discount that works for you, be sure to keep checking back for new deals. Right up until your trip begins, Disney's always releasing new deals, and you can also check out third-party travel sites like Orbitz and Expedia, as oftentimes the discount codes they offer are valid on Disney World or Disneyland hotels and can save you a good bit of money. Also consider using a travel agent to do the heavy lifting for you. We love Small World Vacations. They stay on top of those new discounts. They'll find the best one for your group and they'll make sure that it's applied to your trip. So that's a great way to let someone else do the work for you instead of having to watch all those discounts. Small World Vacations, they're fantastic, and let them know that Disney Food Blog sent you for sure. All right, Disneyland military discounts for most nights from January 1st, 2020 through December 17th, 2020. Active duty and retired members of the U.S. military can enjoy discounted rates at the 3 Disneyland Resort hotels. A minimum night stay may apply, so be sure to check the Disneyland website for full details and eligibility on that one. Active duty and retired U.S. military members are also eligible for discounts on theme park tickets for Disneyland, and they can choose between a 3-day and 4-day Disney military promotional ticket. Those do include a park hopper option. Tickets must be purchased by December 18th, 2020 and be used from January 1st to December 18th with blockout dates of April 5th through the 12th, 2020. It's important to note that no more than 6 of these promotional tickets can be purchased, and at least one of them must be used by the eligible service member or his or her spouse. Hotel discounts in Disneyland. Guests can save up to 25% when they stay at a Disneyland resort for most nights January 5th to April 16th, 2020. Perfect timing to check out the new Rise of the Resistance ride at Star Wars Galaxy's Edge, which opens January 17th. At the Grand Californian Hotel and Spa in Disneyland, you can save 25% on premium rooms or 20% on standard rooms. And at Disney's Paradise Pier Hotel, you can save 10% on premium and standard rooms. This deal continues for dates through June 18th for all rooms except standard rooms at Paradise Pier, but you'll still need to book by March 16th. Passholder hotel discount. Disneyland annual pass holders can save up to 25% off select Disneyland and Grand Californian rooms through April 16th as well, with a special package that also includes $20 dining gift certificate per reservation and one fast pass ticket per person with some big ride exclusions, although it's still a good room discount. You'll need to book by April 15th and show your AP at check-in. So what other discounts can we expect at Disneyland? Disneyland typically sees lower guest attendance between January and May of each year. Since that's the time of year that Disneyland wants to try to drive more guests to the park, we think it's a safe bet there should be some great discounts and offers coming out as we enter 2020 into spring. We still don't have an opening date for Avengers Campus. We know it's going to be in the summer. Though it won't be as big a deal as Galaxy's Edge, it will likely bring an increase in crowds, so we can probably expect some deals just before the opening to fill rooms before the crowds come. Historically, Disneyland typically offers a lot of discounts on rooms and tickets with packages. While we have seen deals in the past, such as buy 4 tickets for the price of 3, they are fewer and farther between than what you might see at Disney World. Instead, you should expect more discounts on resort hotels and ticket packages for stays on the West Coast. Disneyland has offered a lot of deals for Disney Visa card holders, so if you are a card holder, it's definitely worth checking out their current offerings throughout the year. And either way, be sure to subscribe to our newsletter and check out our social media for all the details and discounts at Disneyland. So there's the latest discounts and what we think might be coming up later in the year. As always, we like to say don't pay rack rate for your hotel room unless you're getting some other discount somewhere along the line. Always stay tuned to those special offer sections on both websites, Disneyland and Disney World. That's where you're going to see all the discounts that you're eligible for. Thanks for listening, you guys, and thanks for watching. This is AJ for Disney Food Blog, and we'll see you real soon.